Hi everyone, my name is Nikisha Evans, and I am so excited to begin this new field placement. It is through a nonprofit organization, um, and it's like pro bono, so we get to do a wide range of things to help out with the community. What I hope to get out of this field experience than my last one is so much support, so much education, more knowledge to add to what I already think I know. Um, I'm willing to open up and receive all of the information and the feedback from Professor and you guys. Um, I'm just excited to be able to see if which type of therapist I would want to be or the population that I would want to work with. Um, that's about it. My first general field placement was through my work placement where we did adoptions and that brought everything to a full circle. Currently, I am a case manager that serves families on the opposite side of adoption. So that brought that to a full circle. This time, I'm able to apply my theories and my knowledge of interventions in this field placement. So I am so excited and I cannot wait to view all of your videos. Have a good first week.